welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you these gorgeous crochet box braids. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. My hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my Shine and Jam and my Rockville comb. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by sectioning my hair on the side, exactly the way I'm doing. I'll section it all the way to the back because I want to have like the individual illusion all the way to the back. If you want to be able to put your hair in a bun, this is how you're going to have to do the line, sis, okay? Once I'm done sectioning the line, I'm going to apply the Shine and Jam just to make sure the line is really nice and clean or whatever. I'm going to be sectioning the hair into sections, and then I'll apply my Shine and Jam, separate the hair into two, and then I'm going to twist it all the way down. And then when I get to the second section, I'm going to apply my Shine and Jam again, and then separate the hair into two. Take the hair from the first section to the second section, and then twist them together all the way down. So I'm going to section about 5 boxes on that line, guys. Exactly the same way when I get to the third section, I'm going to apply my Shine and Jam, separate the hair into two, take my hair from the second section to the third section, and then I'm going to twist them together all the way down. And then the same thing goes to the fourth section and the fifth section, guys. So I decided I was gonna do the first 2 lines, straight line going all the way to the back. Do the front, you know, the individual illusion, and then the middle part, I'm just going to do cornrows. So I'm also going to have the 2 lines at the back right there because I want to be able to put them up in a bun. The rest of the hair is just going to be cornrowed. You know what I'm saying? Like exactly the way we do it, because I was trying to save some time. So together, just sectioning my hair took me about 30 minutes. So it's going to take you a little longer because you're doing a little bit more sections in the back as well. Okay, but other than that, you're going to be fine, sis, because this is going to look real cute. And especially if you wanted to use like black hair, sis. Do the cornrows on the middle. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to take the hair that's remaining from the boxes and I'm just going to cornrow that together, you know, with the hair on the middle right there. That way it's really nice and flat or whatever. Once I'm done braiding the hair, I'm just gonna take my coconut oil, mix it with my Jamaican black castor oil. I'm gonna be moisturizing this hair, sis, because you know when you're getting a protective style, you gotta moisturize your scalp. So I'm going to be using this X-pression here. This is already pre-made box braids and it comes 45 strands in one pack. And I'm using this crochet needle, okay, that I got from Amazon, of course. So I'm going to show you guys because this loop right here is really tiny. So this technique that I do, you guys got to master this, okay? Because this is actually really good for any type of crochet braids. So you're gonna place the crochet needle in, open the latch, take your crochet hair, place it on the needle, close the latch, pull it out, don't pull it all the way out, take your crochet needle again, place it in the loop, okay? And then go all the way to the tail where you have like the little tail right there, you know, and then you're going to take that and place it on the latch again, close it and pull it out. That way you can actually pull this out without trouble, sis. You know, you're just gonna do the illusion wherever you had your twist situation going on or whatever. While I'm still talking, sis, are you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads because this channel is getting wet, juicy, yes, sis. Today's shout out goes to Leah Beauty and Lifestyle. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, sis. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for the love all the way from Kenya, honey. Yes. And I watch your YouTube videos too, sis. You are doing the damn thing. Okay, sis. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna go ahead and then start adding in the 27. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the 27, you know, sprinkle it here and there. I'll do more of the 27 in the front just because, you know, I want to spice it up more. Same concept, guys. So place the crochet needle in, open the latch, take your crochet hair, place it on the latch, close it and pull it out. Don't pull it all the way out. Go all the way to the corner of the crochet hair, close the latch and pull it out. Make sure you try this technique. It's gonna take you a while to master it, but after you're done, you're just gonna be like, what have I been doing all my life? So I'm doing like the 30 and then I'll do the 27, 30, 27. I'm just gonna do whatever, you know, just to make sure the 27 comes all the way through, baby, because I'm trying to, you know, look cute out in the streets. And we're gonna have this hair on our side, sis, and you guys are gonna be able to shop this hair from moi, okay? Because I want the best for you guys, because I want you guys, whenever you want to do this braids, to look your absolute best. Okay, so yes, sis, I got you. I'll let you know when I have this hair available. I'm gonna put everything in the description below, sis, because listen, I got you, sis, I got you. So I'm going to explain it again, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to take your crochet needle, place it through, okay? And then you're going to take your crochet hair, place it on the needle, close the latch, pull it out. Don't pull it all the way out. Put it through the loop again, and then go all the way to the tail. Place that on the needle, close the latch, and then pull it out. Done, I'm going to be using my Kiss Edge Fixer. You guys already know what it is by now, right? We gotta lay these baby hairs down or whatever. And baby, when I tell you, this came all the way through. Yes, sis, I am feeling these braids right here. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this braid, sis. This hairstyle is very versatile. You can actually put it up in a bun. You can just put it up in a ponytail, just the way I did. I mean, I look like Miss Tupo got some individual box braids all the way around, honey. Let me know if you guys are feeling this color right here, this 27 and 30, if it's coming all the way through for you, sis. I am feeling this braid situation going on. Crochet braids where? I mean, who's gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. You know, I cannot be the accessorizing queen without accessorizing. I had to add some gold accessories here and there, and baby, it took the style all the way to boom, 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 100. I mean, we are coming all the way through in 2021, 22, 23. Oh my gosh, forever. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think this is a hot all year round kind of hairstyle, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all you're doing for my channel. I cannot believe we are here today. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring, honey. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.